Monster, and this is the Maker Monster Show.
Today, I'm going to try to learn something new. So last time I was at the craft store, I saw all these things that were felted, and I decided I wanted to learn how to make felt. So I picked up a little starter kit that came with a little booklet and some wool. So let's get crafty. Goodness, this is some high quality felt. Now, I learned a few things. I should have done more thinner layers instead of two big thick layers. Probably would have come out a little bit nicer. But I think this has potential, so I'm going to practice a little bit more, and I'm going to think of something I can make with it. Because I also got a bunch of fancy colors. Ooh, look at these. I got this one. Nice purple, kind of greeny thing. So I'm going to make something out of felt, and it'll be fun. Okay, bye!